These might be the oldest streets in Ramat Gan. We are at an archaeological excavation by the Israel Antiquities Authority in preparation for the construction of a bus terminal by Ireland Highways. Behind us is the Winter Stadium, which was built in 1978. The stadium is one of the oldest sports facilities in the neighborhood, and it served the Hakoah Ramat Gan team for years until it ceased operations a few years ago. The excavations revealed a complex of 10 to 12 rooms that served as warehouses or shops between the 7th and 11th centuries AD, with a kind of passage or straight street running between them. In the excavations, bowls, jugs, and clay oil lamps were found, many of which are intact. Such a finding points mainly to work and storage sites and less to settlement sites. We do not know its name in ancient times, the identity of its inhabitants, and whether they were Muslims, Christians, Jews, or Samaritans. Discovering antiquities in the area where we grew up is, of course, an experience that also has a personal dimension. It gives me the opportunity to imagine the ancient inhabitants, those who lived here a vast gap of time away from us, 1,000 years ago or more,